welcome to our channel Curiosity, where curiosity meets lifestyle. Today I'll be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Woohoo! So this is the phone. So on first thoughts, it looks very sleek. I mean, the boxes before were like this big, but now it's only this big. Wow, okay, let's open it up. Okay. Wow. Wow. Can you see how big the phone is? Okay, so now let's carefully take it out. Okay, so here's the phone itself, but we'll put this aside. So this is a USB-C to Lightning type cable. And let's see what's inside here. So first we get an Apple sticker. And we get some instructions and a SIM eject tool. Now let's take a look at the phone. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So this is the phone. Now you can get it in 4 colors, which is silver, graphite, gold and Pacific blue. So this is Pacific blue. You can also get 3 storage capacities, which is 128 GB, 256 GB, which is what I have, and 512 GB. Now let's talk about the display. So this display is 6.7 inches with a Super Retina XDR display, but you can also get a smaller one which is 6.1 inches. So that's pretty cool. Now, this is rated IP68, so it's pretty waterproof. It also has a chip which is A14 Bionic. So now let's take a look at the cameras. This contains 3 cameras: ultra-wide, wide and telephoto cameras. So it does HDR and 4K video recording. So now let's take a look at the sides. On this side we have the side power button, and on this side we have the volume up and down and the ring silent button. Now let's take a look at the bottom. So we have some built-in stereo speakers, built-in microphones and a lightning connector. The phone also has a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a MagSafe wireless charging with up to 15 watts. Okay, now let's turn it on and have a look. So once it powers on, you get to this screen. Now let's swipe up. So this is what it's like. So now you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. Well, that was the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I must add, it was very crisp and very well built. I'll leave a link in the description for more detailed specs. Well, that's all for today's video. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and bye.